guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with BoxyCharm for January. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, this is a monthly beauty box. They send you 5 full-size beauty products for $25. They do also have the addition of a quarterly upgrade called the Boxy Luxe for $50, and also you can opt out of both of those and get the Boxy Premium each month, which is $35 and has 7 items? Something like that. I've never gotten that one, so I don't know. I do pay for this subscription, so this is all, you know, I pay for it. Anyway, let's open this baby up. It smells like spices in there, which is weird. Here's your insert. This month is the fresh start. This is the January box. I did receive this really late, as USPS is just, who knows what's going on over there. Everybody took holiday or something. If you're interested in the variation of this box, this is C210132BA. The back does list each of the items in the box along with their retail values. We'll get to that at the end of the video. So I did kind of peek in here when I first got it, but I kind of forget already. I don't remember what I picked. I'm sure you do have the option to choose one of the items in the box. I don't remember choosing. Maybe I missed it, but all right. So first off, we have the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with Moringa and Papaya. So this is a big 4 ounces. Are you going to open? Like, what? Why do you want to do this? They make it hard to open. I'm not opening it right now. Because what if I want to gift it to somebody? I don't use a lot of BHA toners. I occasionally, but it takes me about 3 months to use one. So that'll just stay like that for now. So there's that. Pharmacy products are really amazing though. And so I am excited that that came. All right, next up we have Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Eye cream was a thing I've been making my friend lately because I started noticing it, and I probably should have been doing it before I noticed, but 36, here I am with little crow's feet. So I've been applying liberally twice a day eye cream. So I will be using and keeping that. All right, next we have the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm, perfect for January. This is bee friendly. It says so right on the box. So that's nice. Oh, that was easy to open. So there's that. Just a simple lip balm. It does use coconut oil, which is nice too. This is going to have a great flavor. All right, then we have, what's this? Laura Geller High Def Glow. Yes! I've actually already opened this up and I've already swatched it. I saw it and I was like, ooh, that looks exciting. This is the Heart of Gold Duo. Look at those. Aren't they beautiful? I remember I was like, oh, they're so pretty. They're very like summery. When they're these gold tones, they really give me like summer. I get summer from them. I find that this one here on the right doesn't show up as well. It's very much more tame. The one on the left is a lot more bright. But those are really pretty. I'll be using those a lot. All right. Finally, we have, this is the Ciate, the Velvet Palette. I didn't even open this yet. Maybe I won't. Come on. Come on, Ciate. Why does it... Oh, I don't want to rip it. Do you know what I mean? Like, come on. All right, there we go. Ooh, that's pretty. It's kind of got a rubberized packaging. It's very nice. It is this is plastic. Is there something wrong with me? I can't open it. Ah, there we go. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh, I don't know. Do I want to keep it? Actually, funnily enough, I'm looking at it and it almost looks like there are little fingerprints. I hate to say that. I'm not going to swatch it right now because I want to take pictures of what I could just be crazy. But it's happened in BoxyCharm before where I've seen things and it kind of has like a wipe on it. I don't know who would do that if they did it at BoxyCharm, if they did it at the post office, but I can see these little dents. And it could just be that it's an imperfection in the mold because it does have that wavy kind of design. But I'm just seeing these, like somebody just put their finger in it. They didn't wipe, they just, so there's that. But the palette is gorgeous. Oh, it's so beautiful. That's actually such a pretty, pretty, pretty palette. Anyway, let's get to the pricing. And the color of the, oh, it's just gorgeous. The packaging is just beautiful. I love it. So let's get to the prices. All right, the Ciate Velvet Eyeshadow Palette is $30. The Pharmacy Deep Sweet Pore Cleaning Toner is $28. The Laura Geller Illuminator Duo is $33. The Dr. Brandt Eye Peptide Cream is $82. And then the Bali Balm is $33. So for your $25 spend, there isn't one product in here that's even less than that. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. And it's just whether or not you would use these products, which if you're a beauty enthusiast, I think you'll find something in here that you would like. And then if you don't like that stuff, you can just gift it. You know what I mean? It's definitely worth it. As always, I will link down below to BoxyCharm with my referral. I'll also link to my full review where I will go in depth and we will talk more about the products and we'll do like a full price breakdown and add everything up. I don't want to do that in the video because it would take me some time. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.